How you doing? Anthony Goncalves. Today we're going to make mango marmalade. I've chosen to do a onion, green olive, mango marmalade. I've got onions, I've got green olives, I've got brining solution, and I've got some ripe mangoes. So we've got the onions. I'm going to add the mango, ripe mango. And I'm going to let that work. You know, onions immediately smell so good. The idea here was there's a lot of sweetness, so I wanted to bring in some brininess. Green olives, very much like where I come from. And brining liquid. And we're going to let this work. And you're going to have patience. You need patience in cooking. Everything that we do, it's like you're not going to get instant gratification. It's not going to be delicious that way. So you're going to let this work. All right, so I'm going to transfer the mango, olive, and onion mixture. And this is how easy it is to make marmalade. I'm going to come right over here. And stick blend this. And you've got yourself some delicious marmalade. Obviously, when you're home, let this rest a little bit. Green olive, onion, mango marmalade. Thanks for joining me, Chef Anthony Goncalves. It was fun making a delicious mango marmalade.